How to leave a Snapchat group. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll simply show you how you can leave a Snapchat group, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to leave a Snapchat group, all you have to do is first of all go ahead and just simply open up Snapchat. And then once you open up Snapchat, what you want to do is just come to the chat page by tapping on the chat icon over here. And once you tap on the chat icon over here, you'll be able to see a list of chats and groups. So just go to the specific group that you are a member of over here. And if you want to leave this group, what I have to do is just tap on the group name at the very top. Here you'll be able to see other group members as well. But since I want to leave this group, I'll just tap on the three dots icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then here I'll just find the option called leave group. Just tap on it, and over here leaving this group will also remove you from its stories, snaps and chats you've sent will be cleared, and any chats you've hidden will be restored as well. So just tap on the leave option over here, and as you do that, that's all it takes to go ahead and leave a Snapchat group. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.